what's up with you guys? It's Kings right here. You're welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's a new trading week, guys, and as you all know, every single week we do pre-market analysis. We do market breakdown, going into the market, seeing what price is going to do for the week, right? So my name is Kings, as you all know. I trade ICT concept. I also share my Forex educational knowledge on this YouTube channel. Alright, so maybe this is your first time of joining me. Please do well to subscribe. I always tell you guys that subscription is 100% free. Alright, so just smash the subscription button and also turn the bell notification icon so you're notified every time I upload on this YouTube channel. Okay, so every single week we always upload about 2 videos. One is pre-market analysis and the last is the update of our challenge. That's we are under a challenge of taking a 10k dot funded account to 200,000 funded account. All right, and we show everything live here, the trades, the execution, the psychology behind it, and everything. All right, so please do well to subscribe and also stay updated, guys. So today is Monday, guys, and as always we do pre-market analysis. Okay, and I trade just one pair, which is Eurusd. So I'll be analyzing Eurusd, guys, today. So let's see what price doing, let's see where price going. And the concept I use in analyzing Eurusd, which is the ICT order flow concept. All right, you can use it in any chart, right? You can use it in any chart because the concept is universal. Okay, so if you want to learn more about ICT institutional order flow concepts, just use the link in my description and join our free Telegram channel. That's the UFI Trading Hub Telegram channel. Okay, just join, then go to the pin message and access our free classes. There's a lot of classes there. So I have classes, free classes there. That is the RUF simplified classes. Also have the chart mastery class and also have entry model class there. Everything for free. Okay, so in fact it is enough for you to form your trading plan, like your trading strategy. Okay, so just join the Telegram channel, then go to the pin message and access all our free classes. Then also in the Telegram channel we also drop free signals and setups. Okay, so just join our community and also share to your friends so that they will join our community and trade with us together. All right, so we'll be going to the chart. I'll be analyzing the market. Let's see where price will likely be heading to this week. All right, let's see if we'll be seeing a possible breakout to the upside or to the downside this week. All right, so the main thing is we follow the concept. All right, you don't take my word for it. Price is probabilistic, guys, and as you all know, according to Mark Douglas, you don't need to be right or wrong for you to make money from the market. Our own is to just act on our edge. Okay, so if we anticipate the direction bias, we trade in that directional bias until invalidation. Okay, so that's how I trade, guys. So I'll be analyzing the market. Let's see where price will be heading to. Okay, so I'll be analyzing Eurusd just for today. Okay, and maybe if you trade GBP USD, AUD USD, they likely go in the same direction. Okay, then if you trade USD card, then they go in opposite direction. Okay, that's the correlation concept. You can see what's happening last week. Last week I've been ranging really bad. Okay, I've been ranging, guys, going up and down, and took a lot of losses last week. All right, but it is what it is. Just 1 or 2 trades we are out of the losses that we had last week. Okay, so that's it, guys. So me personally, I'll be expecting price to break out from this range. All right, so now where is the next zone liquidity? Where do you think price will be heading to next? Okay, before that we need to determine the current order flow of price. So to determine the current order flow of price, we go to the weekly time frame. Okay, let's see what price is doing from the higher time frame perspective. All right, now end up ranging. Okay, and price closed as a contraction candle in the weekly time frame. Okay, contraction candle is a candle with small body range regardless of the week. Okay, it's a contraction candle, and how you trade contraction candle is after a contraction candle, you should be expecting a large expansion in price. Okay, so after a contraction candle, you should be expecting a large expansion in price. So this week we possibly hope that there will be an expansion in price. Okay, now looking at price, the question is where is the next drawn liquidity? Where do you think price will be heading to next? That is the question. Now you need to understand that price books majorly based on liquidity, from internal liquidity to external liquidity and vice versa. And if you look at price, you see that what has been happening. You can see how price from here it went up, right, from this low, breaking market structure, taking out this side, a little pullback, expand to the upside, return to this other block, internal liquidity, external liquidity. All right, internal liquidity. Okay, you can see how price books, and that's how price books, guys. You can see price went down, high, low, breaking market structure. That is our order flow is not bullish. So when order flow is bullish, you'll be expecting price to return into internal liquidity. That is the bullish internal liquidity, and expand to take out buy side liquidities. Buy side liquidities are old highs, relative equal highs. Okay, you can see how price have been moving, right? So it expanded to the upside. All right, then pull down to here, then expanded to the upside, then pull down to this other block, then expanded to the upside to take out this high, then pull down to this other block. All right, now once price return to a liquidity level,
And two examples of internal liquidity I use is the FVG and the order block. Okay, I always explain that FVG is the gap in price. Okay, the gap in price. So the bullish FVG is the FVG that formed when price is expanding to the upside. So now, and also order block is the last bearish candle before an up move. Okay, for bullish order block. So now we can see price have expanded to this internal liquidity, which is the order block, right? Now, once price reach for internal liquidity, what you look out for is what a reversal pattern. Okay, so the two major reversal pattern I use is number one, a swing point. A swing point is just made up of 3 candles. All right, it is classified into a swing high and swing low. All right, so swing high is made up of 3 candles. The center candle, the high of the center candle is higher than the high of the right and the left candle. Okay, if you look at this candle here, you can see this. So you can see the high of this center candle is higher than the high of this first and the last candle. Do you understand? So this is a swing high, then a swing low. So looking at here now, this particular place, you see that a swing low is made up of 3 candles too. Okay, like looking at this particular point, you see that the low of the center candle is lower than the low of the first and the last candle. So that's how you know a swing point. So whenever it happens, it determines a turning point in price. You understand? And this happens from a liquidity level. Do you understand? So once price gets to a liquidity level and it formed a swing point, then you know price will be expanding to the opposite direction. All right. So right now, let me delete this right now. So looking at this place now, you can see price have returned into this order block. All right, what do you think? And last week closed with what a swing point. You can see 1, 2, 3. All right, so the low of this candle is lower than the low of this candle and this candle. Okay, so what does this signify? So it's telling you that price want to reverse to get to the upside. Okay, so the next draw liquidity now is towards to the buy side. Okay, so it's very, very simple. That's how you determine your draw liquidity. Number one, you determine the swing point have been taken, then you determine where price is currently. You can see price take out this swing high. Now where is price currently? Price return to this other block. Now where is price going to? Swing point have formed. That means price should be going to the upside. What's the invalidation? Invalidation is if the previous week low is taken, then price want to expand further to the downside. You understand? So once since we are expecting price to expand to the upside, we don't expect to see price take out the previous week low. You do understand? So I don't expect price to take out this previous week low. It can actually do that. Whatever once it happens, that means it is a change of a direction. You understand? So that's it. So for now, I'm maintaining bullish bias. I'm expecting a weekly bullish expansion. Do you understand? I'm expecting a bullish expansion in the weekly time frame because last week I closed as a contraction candle. So what you expect is you expect price to expand to the upside. The draw liquidity is to take out this high. The overall draw liquidity is to take out this swing high right there, which is the buy side liquidity right here. Okay, so guys, that is the directional bias based on the institutional order flow. So right now, let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what you have. So currently in the daily time frame, you can see price have been rejecting from this order block, right? Sorry, from this FVG, but it's reacting. But for me, I think that this FVG may not hold price. It may not hold price. Do you understand? Then what I'm expecting now is for price to break out from this range. All right. So I'm expecting price to break out from this range with a healthy candle. Once price break out from this range with a healthy candle, that is when I will start engaging the market. So for today, which is Monday, I'm not trading. All right, I need to stay out of the market. Let market do its thing. Let price do its thing. All right, until it gives us a clear direction. Do you understand? So once we have a complete breakout from this range, then I'm good to engage on this price. Then I'll be buying into this high. You understand? Since we're expecting price to expand to the upside in the weekly time frame, that means if this I'm expecting this high is to be cleared. Once it is cleared with a healthy candle, then I will engage in price. All right, but if it is to the downside, then I will start selling. Then the target now will be this low. Okay, so price probabilistic, guys, one at a time, one thing at a time. So we just follow price, guys. We don't just predict it reacts. So whatever price delivers, that's what we follow. Do you understand? Okay, so from the weekly time frame, we're expecting a bullish expansion to the upside. All right, but currently on the daily time frame, price is ranging, or there is no clear direction yet. Do you understand? There's no clear direction until we have a complete breakout from this direction. All right, but if you combine it with what we have in the weekly, that means you should be expecting price to break out to the upside before we engage fully. Do you understand? Then target this high right now, right here. All right, so
that was what I'm expecting on Euro USD. All right, keeping it very, very simple, no complication. All right, as I tell you guys, you can still use the same concept, right, to analyze other markets. Okay, the concept is universal. All right, just know that price books majorly based on liquidity, from internal liquidity to external liquidity and vice versa. All right, keeping it very simple. You don't need to complicate all this. All right, you don't need to draw a lot of lines, use a lot of indicators before be able to determine your direction. You understand? So the main thing is following this key concept. All right, where is price going to next? Knowing where price is coming from, then you target where price is going to next. All right, as you all know from what we saw on our pre-market analysis, you see that price have reached for the weekly order block, and a swing point is formed already. Okay, so since a swing point is formed, what do you think? We should be expecting a reversal to the upside. Okay, and I stated our invalidation point, which is the swing low. If the previous week low is taken, that means our directional bias for the week is invalidated. Then we change our bias. Because why do we always put invalidation? Because you are not always right. Okay, the invalidation means if this happens, it means we are changing our directional bias completely. Do you understand? So that's how I trade. I react with the market. I don't just predict that definitely this is what will happen. No, you should be very flexible as a trader. Okay, so this week currently, as I said, I'm waiting on price. I'm not engaging yet until there is a breakout in the daily time frame, so that it will give me a clear direction before I will engage in price. All right, so that's it, guys. That's it. Keeping it very simple. Okay, as I said before, if you want to learn more about the ICT institutional order flow concept, I have a lot of free classes on that will give you a clear understanding, and it is 100% free. All right, just use the link on the description and join our Telegram channel. Okay, our public Telegram channel. So in the Telegram channel, we always upload our pre-market analysis every single day. We also share our setup and trade together with you all, guys, and it is all for free. Nobody's charging you for anything. I will never DM you for anything. Do you understand? So everything is 100% free. You understand? Okay, for the classes, just join the Telegram channel, go to the pin message, and have access to all our free classes. All right, so guys, that's it. Make sure you share to your friends so that they will take advantage of this opportunity. All right, let's make the most out of the market. This week I'm going to maintain 100% execution. All right, so provided my setup forms in line with my direction bias, I'm executing 100% in all my accounts, including our 10k challenge account. Right, so that's how it is, guys, and definitely just what I need is just one trade to come out of the losses we had last week. You understand? Because we are already in positive, all right, before we had the losses. You understand? So we are currently in our 10k challenge account, we are currently in 3% drawdown. Okay, what I need is just one trade to come out. That is one winning trade to come out of the drawdown. Then let's see how far we'll go, guys. So keeping it very simple, guys, executing 100% without thinking, and managing our risk properly. All right, so the main thing is giving into time, staying consistent, doing one particular thing over and over again. It is actually a boring process, guys, very boring process, but the main thing is you don't have a choice but to follow the process. You understand? You follow the process, all right, give into time, execute 100%, act on your edge without thinking, and manage your risk properly, because I know this is going to help keep us ahead, guys. So that's it. We are not going to force anything here. If we see how we are set up, we are not going to force anything here. If you see our setup, we execute 100%, and let's see the outcome, guys. Let's see how far we can go, and that's it, guys. If you have any question or anything you want to suggest, please drop it on the comment section. I will definitely give you a reply. All right, guys, so till the next time, I wish you all good luck, and bye for now. Wishing us a profitable week already, guys.